Many people came to Aruba, but not that many in when we first came here in 1979. Actually, it was only 3 high-rise hotels, I think, maybe, and a few low-rise hotels. And so Aruba was a secret at that time. Not many people knew about it in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. In the 90s, it started to get more popular. Every 10 years, it grew, just like the island. In the beginning, there was a moratorium. You could not build another resort. Then some new resorts came, and some more modern and more upscale, let's say. There was a different product. Tourism changed. And so many things happened. Now, if I compare it with the first time we stayed here at the Holiday Inn, when we had breakfast, I said, could I have some milk with my oatmeal? And they gave me powdered milk. And now you get real milk. Well, the big difference between Aruba in 1979 and nowadays, of course, there are more restaurants, more shops, and more resorts. It isn't that it is better, it is bigger, but it's more of a variety for different types of tourists. And I know the tourist industry very well, and I know AHATA and ATA, and I know their efforts, and so their efforts are multifaceted, all-inclusive, very exclusive, different products. So if you go to the Ritz, that's one product. And if you go to the, let me see, I think the Divi is all-inclusive now? Yes. And so there's a different product for different tourists. So that's what attracts Aruba so much to different people. It's the different, or the variety. So is it better or worse now? Well, I'm a little shocked when I see so many stores. But it isn't worse. It's just that I'm not used to the development, but I will say the development has increased tourism. So that's a good thing. And Aruba deserves increased tourism. I'm all for that.